They told me I did not belong. They spat at me, cursed my name, threw hate like fastballs. But I kept my hands steady and my heart stronger. My name is Jackie Robinson. And in 1947, I broke the color barrier in Major League Baseball. But I broke more than a barrier. I broke silence. I was the first black man to play in the majors in the modern era, but being first felt like being alone. Every time I stepped on the field, I carried a weight heavier than any bat. Racism wasn't just in the stands, it was in the locker rooms, on the field, and in the press. There were days I wanted to fight back, days I cried in silence. But I made a promise to Branch Rickey, the general manager of the Dodgers. I would show courage without retaliation. Because the world needed to see strength that did not swing back. Then came the cheers, the stolen bases, the victories. Not just on the scoreboard, but in the hearts of people who began to see that justice could wear cleats. I was named Rookie of the Year, National League MVP, a World Series champion. But my greatest title, a symbol of possibility. My story is not just about baseball. It is about breaking through. About using your voice even when it shakes. And it is about remembering. Because even today, some try to erase our names, our stories, our truth. So here is what you can do. Tell our stories, share them in schools, speak them at dinner tables, write them in books, film them in documentaries. Because history forgotten is history repeated. My name is Jackie Robinson, and I played more than a game. I played for change. Now it is your turn to carry the torch. Keep sharing our stories with your children. At Black History Daily.